If your iPhone lost internet connection after the latest iOS update, today I'm going to show you the real and effective fix that will get you back online. First, let's understand why this happens. Updates can sometimes change your iPhone's network settings, causing Wi-Fi or mobile data issues. Minor software bugs can also disrupt internet connectivity. Old network profiles or settings can conflict with the new iOS version. Now, here's the professional step-by-step solution. 1. Perform a proper iPhone restart. Turn off your iPhone and turn it back on. Wait a few seconds after it powers up completely before testing your internet. 2. Reset network settings safely. Go to Settings greater than General, greater than Transfer or Reset iPhone, greater than Reset network settings. This will clear all network settings without deleting your personal data. After the reset, turn Wi-Fi and mobile data back on. 3. Remove old or conflicting network profiles. If you've used a VPN or company profile before, go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, and remove any old or unknown profiles. This often resolves network conflicts. 4. Update iOS. Again. Sometimes Apple releases a small update after a major one to fix network bugs. Make sure you have the latest iOS version installed. 5. Restart your modem or router. If the issue persists, restart your modem or router and try connecting again. After these steps, your iPhone's internet should work normally, and this problem will be fixed permanently.